What's going on, traders? This is Trader Lewis again. Went out with my update on this week's trade so far. So we shall begin. Um, so today, um, we traded NDX, of course. I pulled up the trade. So we traded NDX today, and this is my current trade so far for NDX. I basically made a custom. I basically bought the February 19 9600 call and then sold the 9610 call, and then I sold the 9610 put, then I bought the 9600 put. Cost for trade 95 cents. Currently the mark price right now at closing at 4 p.m. is $3.65. This is one contract. I am up 279 on this one, and we'll pull up the next ones. I have Disney. I've had Disney for a couple weeks now. I was up last week, I think, and now I am down on the trade. So again, always try to take your profits when you can. This is exactly what's going to happen. You're going to be in the red. This should open. I still got till March 6th to close it. So basically I sold the 143 put and I bought the 141 put. I collected a credit of $1.17, and the mark price right now is $1.40, so that's why my P&L is in the negative. Apple, our next trade's Apple. Currently have the March 6th 327 put and a halves. Now I bought the 322 and a halves. I collected a premium of $2.79, and of course the mark price is $3.22. Currently down in position, $43. I was up last week. So far, let's look at the futures. Futures are trading higher, I believe. So far, I think they open higher. So this is the futures so far. They are open. So I am looking to see Apple recover. They're up 23.5 points from 4 o'clock since it opened. So if it continues higher, this is a good thing. Apple might continue higher. The ES is also continue open higher. It's currently $6.25. Basically on the upside. The Dow is 59 points higher since it closed at 4 p.m. So this is still a good thing for tomorrow if the futures continue higher. the market will basically continue to boom. Let's look at Apple for just a minute. So Apple traded. Of course, I was up Friday because Apple was trading at 325. I was up like $43 on Friday. I didn't close the position. Then we gapped down this morning. We opened lower, and that's the reason why I'm down on the position. And currently, Apple is kind of recovering. If the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and the futures open up higher, tomorrow they gap up higher tomorrow in the morning, I could see Apple basically continue to go higher tomorrow. First few hours of the market. So my position, like I said, I am down. I got the 327s and a halves and the 22 and a half puts. They're not in profit. I'm not down by much. So that is my current trades. I will make close. I'll basically put this up real quick. All right, so this is my trade on Apple. This is a precision. As you see, I'm still holding the 327 and a halves and the 322 and a halves. The futures are in the green tonight. I'm hoping that they stay green by the beginning in the morning. We should be able to have a gap, so a gap up and stuff. So that's my theory on Apple. I think Apple will always continue to go higher with China news, so the factories closed and then might not meet their sales. That's the reason why it kind of sold off a little. But Apple is still strong for the year. Today I saw it. The market was kind of dragging down, and Apple kept up being strong for the day. So it tells you a little bit about Apple. That it's a strong, it's a strong stock. Good stock to keep on your portfolio. So now we have Disney. Disney have the 143s. It's acting like a turtle, basically. I was profit up here. It's like $15 profit up here, and kind of sold off. And of course, today the market didn't help at all, and it just kept selling off. So I'm still holding my Disney contracts. As you see, 327 and a halves and the 322 and a halves. I'm not gonna keep them till the expiration because I don't want them to get exercised. So that's one thing that you guys have to think about when you basically buy call options in the money. That the risk there, it's basically to get assigned. So you guys want to make sure that you guys don't get assigned to a to the stock if you guys don't have a large account. So we go to our big trade for the day. NDX. I just started trading NDX about 2 weeks ago, and I'm seeing that I'm become more familiar with the stock, with the ETF. So basically NDX, and I made a mistake on this one. When I took the trade, obviously. So So NDX, I have expiration tomorrow. Basically bought the 9600 call and then sold the 9610 for protection. And then over here on the flip side, I basically sold the 9610 and then bought the 9600 also for protection. So kind of a, you could say an iron condor almost. I just did not go a few spreads or a few strikes out of the way. So NDX kind of traded one of the places to trade. So I placed my trade at Cloudsley at 9:55 in the morning. So NDX 9:55. Right around this candle here in this area here at the 96.06 area. I was down a few there, and it came back down. It tested at 95.77, which it retraced back to this candle back here. And if you see from previous, it almost does it every day. It retraces back to the bottom of when it did a reversal. So I have to keep working on this. Timing it right is hard, especially with the markets not in your favor. I would have never known that it was going to come down here. If I knew, I would have placed a trade down here at the bottom and then waited all of this right here. That's a 50-point profit there. So that's kind of my trades for this week. I only have 3 trades basically for the end of the week. And it's basically how my account looks. And a lot of people say you have a large account. This is my account. This is how much the account is. It's a small account. I've grown this account, basically doubled it since I started this challenge here. January 1st, 2020, February 12th, 2020. So this is the account 1274 at the beginning of January. And then there's at 2346. So that's kind of my proof on my trades that I am being profitable. I also opened up an account with TradeView and log in my trades basically. Putting up my details, that way you guys kind of have an idea on what my trades look like. So this is my TradeView account. My total gains for February 1100. We're basically winning trades 6. 1 loss for February. Still learning the day range. But I'll go back to January. Today's trades are not going to be there. So this has been my P&L. 1142 and 89 for so far for the year. Biggest loss is 730. I took a loss on Friday. We'll go over that trade in a minute. I have 11 wins, 4 losing trades, and my 7 consecutive. So I'm actually 73% profitable on my trades, and this is how my calendar looks like so far. January had 1 red day. February I just had 1 red day. So keep your profits small. Maybe you could be able to squeeze a little bit more premium. I sell premium for my options. So this is kind of my log. I'm gonna continue doing videos on my trades. SPX, I took a loss on SPX on Friday. I took a yellow play on Thursday, got a call, and I got greedy and ended up having a losing trade. I should have locked in profits here on this candle here at the open, and I took a losing trade. Ended up posting it down here somewhere. I don't really remember where. I took a losing trade. So always keep your losers small. Sometimes you know that it doesn't happen. So this is my overall P&L for the year. Stocks that I've traded: Apple, Aethlon Medical Incorporated. I lost $24 on that. Amazon, profit. CrowdStrike Holding. Wow, this stock is actually when I bought a call and didn't held it, and I just took the small win there. Walt Disney, I'm actually down $23 for the year. Nasdaq is my huge winner so far, and this is what has contributed the majority of my gains. NDX. Then I have one on NEO, $51 on NEO. Smile Direct made a small $8. Snap, I made $200. That was a quick scalp a few weeks ago. And here's my SPX loss, $715 on that one. Trill took a $3.55 loss on that. Telsa made $30 a while back. Hoover made 20, Ulta made 41, and this is my total P&L for the year. I'm not sure why it's showing different than TradeView. I guess because I still have trades open, so it's showing a little bit higher. 18, 20, 28 is the current P&L according to Thinkorswim. So if you guys have any questions or concerns on my videos and how I trade, get me posted, like the video, share the video. The more you guys tell me, the more I'm able to contribute to make more videos like this, and kind of keep you guys updated on my progress in the stock market. So let's stay green, trade smart, take your profits. You can grow a small account. You can grow a small account. So this is for today. It's trades. What I'm looking at for tomorrow. I'm hoping that the Nasdaq, the NQ, will gap up. It will actually help me out tremendously tomorrow to finish the trade between the one that I have on there. And then if it gaps up, of course, eventually, hopefully, the ES will follow, and that will bring my my Apple and my Disney put credits back up to where they're supposed to be at. I might close them. I'm not going to keep them to expiration because I don't want to get assigned stock. Even though they're both strikes are in the money and I have some sort of protection, I just don't want to risk that. So again, that's my overall view. Tomorrow, I will be trading just NDX and just keeping an eye on the overall market. If an opportunity, comes up, I might take it. It just depends. Here's Tesla. It gapped up after hours to 887. So I believe it'll sell off tomorrow sometime. It probably retrace back to the 864 and then bounce back up. So again, this is Trader Lewis signing off.